Okay then. As you know, this is Hitesh. I have given my introduction in the last session. I think I'm familiar with you guys, and we'll move forward. In the last week's session, we have covered what is this? Yeah, yeah. We have covered. We have got started with the HTML. We got to know what is HTML, and we have experience with some heading tags and also paragraph tag, right? Um, Anyone can explain like why we use this HTML? Anyone?
HTML is used to display page.
Okay, super. Yeah, I appreciate these answers. Though it is right or wrong, please not and give your answer. If that is wrong, I will explain that. No problem. Your participation is important here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Coming to this, we have covered uh, this point. We have coming to while we are designing a web page, while we are doing some website, we'll design that into different layers, to make that feasible to apply changes in future. We'll divide that into content layer, presentation layer, and behavior layer. In the presentation layer, what we'll do is we'll apply some styles there. In the content layer, we'll be using HTML. We'll be using HTML and writing the content over there. And in the presentation layer, what we'll do is we'll apply some styles to that. We'll apply some colors, we'll apply some font size, we'll apply some font style, and many more. Okay. In the behavior layer, what we can do is we can apply some functionalities to them. Like when we click on some button, then it goes to some other website. When we click on some button, it displays something like that. We do in the behavior layer. Okay. Like I said, content layer will be performed by HTML, presentation layer will CSS, and behavior layer using JavaScript. Okay. This is a basic stack to develop a website, a responsive website. Okay. And I have explained you with the structure of HTML in the previous session, I think. Right. I think you're clear, right, guys? Please give some response here. Are you clear with the structure of HTML?
Yes, sir.
It's clear.
Yeah, great. Yeah, yeah. Uh, it's clear, right? Then we'll go into some more deeper. Yeah, we have gone through heading tag and paragraph tag. We'll come into pre-formatted text. Guys, can you explain? Pre-formatted tag is also similar to paragraph. Do anyone know what is the difference between the paragraph tag and the pre-formatted tag? Anyhow, I'll explain you that.
No, sir.
Before that, sorry.
No idea, sir.
Okay. Anyone has idea regarding pre-formatted tag and paragraph tag usages?
No.
Okay, I'll explain you. Basically, in HTML, everything will be written in tags. Now you can see here tag name. This is the starting of tag, and we'll write some content over inside the tag, and we'll end the tag. So that's how every HTML element will go on. You can see here we have written every tags here. Head tag, we have closed the head tag. Title tag, we have closed the title tag. H1 tag, we have closed H1 tag. Between the both starting and ending tags, we have written some content, right? Here also, you see, I think you are good with headings tags and also the paragraph tag. Let us see pre-formatted tag. Actually, pre-formatted tag is also similar to paragraph tag, but here what pre-formatted tag does is whatever we do in the pre-formatted tag, if we give some spaces, if we give some some lines or anything, it displays as it is. If you give some spaces, it also gives some spaces in the content. But in paragraph tag, it won't do like that. If we give some spaces, the paragraph tag will ignore those spaces. But in the pre-formatted tag, we'll get as it is. Whatever we have given, we'll get as it is. You can see here example paragraph tag. We're getting only the content. In pre-format tag, have given some gap here, but it will display the gap also. I will take some practice here.
Yes, sir.
We are doing this here. If we enter into some code editors, we'll directly get this. When we create a HTML page, we'll directly get these tags here. We have to edit these tags. That's it. Here basically we are doing this. We'll name our website as uh, paragraph versus prof. Right. We have entered the tag and we'll end header tag, and we'll come into the body tag here. And in the body tag, what we'll do is we'll write some paragraph. Um,
Sir,
this is
please increase the font size, sir.
okay. Is that okay now? Hello? Nagesh, is that okay now?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. This is the session on HTML and CSS. And now we'll copy this and paste that here. And now what we can do is we'll give some space here. Also, we'll enter something like this is the second session on web development. Okay, we have given some space and we have taken some new line here. So let's see what happens. We'll do the same here. Okay. Let's see the difference. Okay, and we'll end the body tag here, and we'll end the HTML tag here. That's it. And we'll save this desktop. In 5 extra, I'll save this with the name ht okay second dot html. You have to this will be one of the task for you, so you have to save with your roll number underscore name dot html. And we have you are clear with git, right? So you can create this task like this, roll number underscore name dot html, and you can upload the same with in your git. No, what is the advantage with uploading your task is in your fourth year we told you, like we promised you, like we'll recommend you guys to our our partner companies. So while we are recommending you guys to them, we have to show them your work, right? While they come up to interview you guys, we'll give all the updated skills of you guys and also all the works you have did. No, not only in the technical side, we'll also share them the non-technical tasks also, what you have did, so that they'll understand your caliber and commitment towards the work. So that that increases your uh, uh, probability to get the job, right? If you are committed, and if you are doing task perfectly, and if you are doing task regularly, then they'll get some impression on you, right? So that's how that gets you easier, that makes you stand forward compared to the other guys. I can say that only. Now that's your wish, you'll do the task or not. Okay, I've saved that, and let me go to desktop now.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Sorry, yeah.
Sir, if the starting tag is PRE and ending tag is PRE.
Sorry, you are not clear. Someone in the starting.
Sir, you put that the starting tag is PRE and the ending tag is PRE.
Oh, sorry. Okay, thank you very much. Let's have saved, and now where it is, roll number underscore. I saved in 5 extra, right? Desktop, 5 extra. Done saved. ISO save. Okay, it is there already. Why it is not? Yeah, here it is. You can see here. Now here in the, this is the first one. This is the paragraph tag, and in the next I have written the paragraph tag. See here, I have given the paragraph tag, but I have given some space here. HTML, this much space, and CSS. This is the second session on, and I have given, this is the second session on web development in the next line. I haven't continued this. This is the total space we have given here. You can see here, right? But what is the output here? You can see no spaces have given. The paragraph tag has eliminated all the spaces. But if you see in the uh, pref tag, pre-formatted tag, you can see here we have given the space, and we have given the next line. See here in the output, that pre-formatted tag given the space, and also it has given the text in the next line. So whatever we give, it applies. It won't apply any extra changes. It won't do any extra things. It will give whatever the content, whatever the text, and whatever the spaces we have given, like the same. Okay, that is the basic difference between paragraph tag and pre-formatted tag. Now is it clear, guys?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's great. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Sir, doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, is it mandatory to write doc type HTML tag?
Exactly. uh, but it is not mandatory. In the previous versions of HTML, in the initial versions, they have introduced that to to make the browser understand this is the HTML document. When the browser is coming through the document, coming to the code we have written, when it finds this doc type HTML, and also in the previous versions there is some more content. After doc type HTML, you have to write many more content, some URLs and all, to understand, to make the browser understand that is a HTML document. But going ahead, in the newer versions, we have reduced that to doc type HTML only. But in this version of HTML, we can eliminate that. Though we don't write the doc type HTML tag, it's okay. It will work. It will work as it is. As you have removed that, yeah, I'm running that again. You can see the same output. See, no difference in the output, right? In the new version of
Yes.
HTML, it's not required. But conventionally, HTML structure is defined like that. So we'll explain like that. Okay. No
Yes.
problem. Though we don't write in the newer versions. In the older versions, it is mandatory. Okay. That's good
Okay,
doubt.
sir.
Who is that? Who is that? May I know that? May I know your name?
Sir, yes, sir, it's me, Rajkumar.
Rajkumar. That's great. That's good doubt, Rajkumar. Okay. Then we'll move ahead. Clear, right? Paragraph difference between paragraph tag and pre-formatted tag. Guys, any response?
అమ్మా పప్పు
Yeah,
ఏం
okay. Thank you.
చేసుకుంటారు కూర?
Yeah. Uh, yeah. Next one is the horizontal line break tag, HR tag. This is the tag which we use to break the line. Like when we are in the if we use this, the pre-formatted tag, it is working. It is working as it is. If we give some space, if we give the things in the next line, it is working. But if when using the paragraph tag itself, if we want to make that into new line, what we can do is we can use the horizontal line break. And also while we are using different tags, we'll be using some h1 tag, h2 tag, and different tags, right? When we need some space between the lines, when we need some space between first line to second line, we can use this horizontal line break tag, so that it comes to the next line. You can see in the
I
exam.
have one doubt, sir.
Yes.
What is the difference between HR and BR, sir?
Yeah.
BR
H,
also breaking
yeah.
breaking
Yes,
tag.
I will come to that. I'll come to that. We'll learn that BR in the next line. Okay, next slide.
Okay,
Here you
sir.
can see the break. Okay. Let me explain the HR tag now. Now here we are not getting the next line, right? If I use HR tag here, we don't have to close the tag. That's okay if we don't close the tag also. See, we have got the horizontal line between the two texts. The first text is, this is the session on HTML, and this in the paragraph tag I have told you, right? This space will be eliminated. But as we have added the HR tag, we have got the line where the line has entered into next line, and it has printed a horizontal line, and after that we have got the next content. See here, if you see in paragraph tag, it won't as we seen in paragraph tag, it won't allow going into the next line, right? But using this tag, we can make use of that. It will create a line, horizontal line break. Okay, we can use in between also. I'm using this paragraph, and this is a session on HTML, right? I can print HR here also. I can give break and a horizontal line. See, we have got the horizontal line here. Okay, is that clear, guys, regarding horizontal line HR tag? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. And
Yes,
also
sir.
remember, though we don't close the tag, it will work. Yeah. And next we'll go with hyperlinks. Basically, hyperlinks are used to display some links when we are when we are writing some HTML code. We'll get we'll get an requirement to display some links, like when we are designing our website, we have a requirement to redirect to our stores, right? We have to create one link. We have to give some content, and inside that content we have to give some link. Whenever the user clicks on that content, it should redirect to that website, right? So for that, we'll use the hyperlink tag, that is the anchor tag, a tag that will be called as the anchor tag. We'll implement that right now. Anchor tag. Yeah. In the These are the tags, right? Inside the tags, we'll be having attributes. Attributes can be simply said as the properties of the tag. For the anchor tag, we'll be having a property called href. This is called as a hyperlink reference. Here we'll give some link, www.5extra.com, and should redirect to now we have to give some content to display. This www.5extra.com won't display there, but will be displayed with some content like we'll give some cashback website, and I'll close the anchor tag. You see here in the output we get, see, we have got displayed the content what we have given after the link inside the anchor tag. No, this is the starting of anchor tag, and this is the ending of anchor tag, and inside the anchor tag we have given the content. This has been displayed over here. When we click on this, it will redirect to 5 extra page, but somehow let me copy paste this link. Yes, looking for HTTPS, I think. See, when we click on this, it is redirecting to 5extra.com. Okay, that is the use of the anchor tag. Right, clear guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you. Yeah, and the next one is the image tag. When we want to now we are clear how to display some some links, how to give some links in the website, how to give some content like headings, like paragraph, like pre-formatted text, and also now we have learned about how to display the links, and we'll something forward. We learn how to display the images. We'll get some requirement to display some images, right? Now let me do that. Image, and now img tag, image tag, and in the image also we have different attributes. We have width attribute, we have height attribute, we have src attribute, source. Src means source. We have to give the source where the image is available, and we have alt is alternative for that image. No, when we give when we ask our website to display some image, but due to some internet issues or something, the image won't be displayed. Image won't be loaded from server. At that point of time, when we hover on that image, it will display the alternate text of that. Let us take some source. I'll take some image link. We'll take what we take. We'll take our 5 extra logo. JPG. Okay. And in the alternative, I'm giving 5 extra logo. And yeah, let me display with, I'll give some 0 pix. I'll remove this height and text for now. Let us see how the image displays. Okay. I have given the closing tag. Okay. Where is it? Here it is. Yeah, you can see here 5 extra logo has been displayed here. Okay, image has been displayed. Now if you want to uh, you know now if you want to make that width and height, I'll go with 30 pixel and height 40 pixel. We'll take width as 60 pixel. That would be great. Okay. Let's see how see here image height and width has been decreased. Okay, based on we can fix that height and here. That's the advantage of this, and this alternate will be displayed whenever the image can't be loaded. Then we will be displayed with that this text 5 extra logo in the place of that image, right? And yeah, could display when we hover that. Okay, look into that. And after the image tag, is that clear, guys? The image tag.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, for giving some style, like I have given the width and height, right? Like that we can assign some color, we can add some font size and all, but not here. Image tag, it won't has the tag. If the tag has those properties, we can give. But if we want to beautify that externally, then we have to style that using CSS. We can do styling in different ways. We can do that styling we have different 3 types of styling. We'll learn that deeply in upcoming sessions. Okay, internal styling, inline styling and external styling. There are three types of stylings, and now we'll go ahead with the inline styling. Inline styling means inside the tag itself we'll be giving the style attributes. Like you can give style is equals to quotations. Okay, I'll give styling for this paragraph tag. Let us see. Paragraph tag style is equals to I'll give font size colon 30 pixel and more font color. Sorry, attribute is color colon red. Okay, will copy paste the same above and we'll remove the styles. Let us see how the styles will be applied. Okay, this is called the inline styling. Inside the lines we are giving the styling, right? This is color, but this is not recommendable. When we give, of course this will be applicable when the browser reads. Though we give separate file for CSS, though we give internal styling, the CSS, the browser will read like this. Browser will give the stylings inside the tags only. But when we are writing the code, this is not preferable, because if we write these stylings, like when we have to add this styling to paragraph, we will be having some dozens of stylings. If we write all the stylings here itself in the line, the code will be the congested. We can't understand that code easily. When the other developer is looking into that code, it won't be looking good. So we won't prefer this, but for showing you guys, I'm doing this for now. Okay, we have forgotten to give this. Yeah, see here. Now, as we have given, font size should be into 30 pixel and the color should be red. So you can see here. For the first paragraph tag, the content is same, but we haven't given any styling. You can see here, for the first paragraph tag, the styling is not given, so it is displaying as it is. In the second paragraph tag, we have asked it to increase the size to 30 pixel and the color to red. We'll change the size 60 pixel. We'll change the color to green. Let me refresh. You can see here the color changed to green and the font size changed to 60 pixel. Okay, is that clear about inline styling, guys? We look into
Yes,
this
sir.
Yes.
in our CSS sessions, we'll completely focus on, okay, in difference between inline styling, internal styling, and also the the external styling. Right now, you can go ahead with this inline styling for developing, for practicing things. Okay. And the next thing we'll go ahead with is Sagar. Are you recording the session?
Yeah, Hitesh is recording.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, yeah. Line break. We have got into line break. Someone asked the doubt, right? Line break will breaks the line, and HR will breaks the line. Along with that, it will give the horizontal line between the lines. Line break will break the line. That's it. The HR tag will break and gives the horizontal line. We'll look into this. You see here, I'm giving the line break here, and also line break here. We'll see what happens. There it is. Shit. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, see here. It has given. We'll add some content here so that you guys will understand clearly. Okay. See here. We have given line break in between the sentence. In between on HTML, we have given line break. So the output is we have got the break here, and the content we have breaked the line here, and the content enters into the next line. And if you see here, after the text also we have given the line break. So what's happening is it has given one more line break here. So it has breaked the line and got the why we got the space here. Line break should break the line. Oh, I'll remove this and we'll check this again. Yeah, I don't know why it is giving the space again. Between the paragraph and paragraph. Okay. Guys, clear with the line BR tag and HR tag, right? Differences between BR tag and HR tag.
Okay, okay.
Hello. Do you have any further doubts
So
on
far,
BR tag, tag? And this is also the tag.
Sir,
You don't have to give
sir,
the
you
ending tag.
given.
Yes.
Sir, you have given for the second line, paragraph line as well as break line.
Okay. Yes.
That's why the gap has came, sir. I think.
No, we have removed the break line here, right? Again. I have removed the break line here and checking this, but we are getting some gap here. Yeah, okay, you guys work on that. You guys work on that, and let me know in the next session. Okay. While you are working, if you have the same doubt tomorrow also, I will explain.
Sir, can I ask you a question?
Yes, yes.
Sir, instead of style attribute in the paragraph tag,
Okay.
I think it's okay to write font tag. So
Font.
I got confused between those.
No, you mean to ask like in the paragraph tag, font size,
Sorry,
colon,
sir. Instead
font
of
size
style attribute.
instead of style attribute.
it's okay to write font tag for printing color and font size.
Okay, you are asking without
Yes,
writing this style, can we write directly font size is equal to 60 pixel like that? Is that right?
yeah, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can't do like that because paragraph tag don't have those attributes, right? Paragraph tag, like we have written in the anchor tag we have written href, and in the image tag we have given these different attributes. Why we wrote these different attributes means we have this in the image tag, the developer has developed like that. Developer has given these all attributes with the image tag, so these things will work with image tag.
Okay,
And
okay.
in the paragraph tag it don't have any attributes, so it won't work. Let us see. See, we have written the first paragraph tag, we have given font size. It hasn't changed, right? It don't have that attribute, so it won't work. So to apply the external styling and beautification, if that don't have that attribute, we'll use the styling tag. Okay, styling attribute. It has the style attribute. It has the style attribute. That's why we are using the style attribute. Inside the style attribute, we are defining the styles. Okay,
Yes,
and if
sir.
you see,
But
yes.
sir, I'm asking about there is another. I mean, there is a tag, font tag in the HTML. I think you know
No,
that.
no, font tag.
Please, font tag.
Are you saying this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, what yeah, what this does actually?
Sir, this font tag is helpful for
Yeah.
to increase the size of the content which we write in between those.
Okay. Inside
Yes,
the
sir.
font
Yes, sir.
tag, we have to mention the font size. Is it?
Not at all. Should write as attributes like size equal to should give
Okay.
some
Inside
integer.
this, size is equals to pixel. Is that right?
5. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sorry, please write in the tag only
Yes, exactly. I'm doing that.
like attribute.
In the first paragraph tag, we'll do that.
Yes, sir.
Let us see if that is working.
Sir, please close the paragraph tag. It should write after paragraph tag.
Okay. Is that right?
Please declare the ending tag after the content.
Font ending tag. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, yes, sir. That's I want to.
We'll see if that is working. But this is not working, right?
Sir,
Yeah, let's
give.
see. Yeah, I haven't came across the font tag. Let's see if that is there in HTML. Yeah, we have that.
Please close that font tag after the pixel which you are given as 60 or like font.
Is that okay?
Not like that, sir. Sir, can I share my screen?
No issue. I'll look into this. Okay, 1 second.
Yes.
Yeah, actually,
Sir.
font tag is there in before HTML5, and in the HTML5 it is not supported. Okay,
Okay, okay,
for
sir.
declaring font we are using the stylings itself. You can see here, right? Not supported in HTML5. It is a legacy tag. We can say it as obsolete tag. It has been
Okay.
used in previous versions, but it is not in the work. It is not supported by HTML5. I think that's why we are not getting displayed with that. Right now, the
Yep.
browsers are completely following with HTML5, right? So that's why we are not getting a thing. Is that
Okay.
working for you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's still working for me.
Okay. Can you share the code? Like just type the code and share that in the chat window so that I can copy paste that.
Sir, I texted you message right now. See that chat box.
In what chat box? No, I'm sharing the screen, right? It is not visible.
There you can find in the chat box, sir, in the
Yes,
text.
exactly. Okay. Yeah.
So can you try again this?
Yeah. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But this this is applying the font to all the things, all the tags. Why
Yes, sir.
so?
Yes, sir. Because it's expired, tag.
Not that. Yeah. No, guys, work on this font tag for tomorrow. Why it is displaying, why it is applying font to all the tags, and what is the history of that? What is the use of that in HTML5? Work on that, okay?
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. We'll remove this for now. Start. Ritvik? Ritvik, am I audible? Someone? Sagar or Ritvik? Bhavana? Bhavana, please note the tasks I have given right now so that we can share the same with them. Okay. First one is regarding working on all these tags given, and the second one is work on the font tag. Yeah, and the third one is okay. The two tasks. Okay, right now, and when I'm saying some other task, please note that so that we can share with them. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Bhavana. Yeah. Image style line break is completed. Yes, we'll enter into the list in HTML. Like when we want to display something in list, like if we say, like if we take Rajkumar has some particular skills. If we want to display some skills of Rajkumar in the order, how we can display? Let us take that. List, right? We can display that in the order.